with regard to, in regards to, regarding, kindest regards, regarding, kind, KR. What the hell are all these regards and why are we giving them? And why does it drive me up the nearest wall and make my toes curl when people get it wrong? I don't really know the answer to that one. I mean, some things bother me and some things don't. So here we are, coming to you through Sound and Vision is a short guide on how to use regards or regarding or regard and in letters and speech and that. Let's start at the very beginning. The etymology is reasonably clear. Regard comes from an old French word meaning to see or to take notice of. The two main parts are the first part of that word, the re, which is a word particle which means to go back or to repeat. And the second part is to guard, which means, well, essentially the old root of that word means to look or to heed. In this case, the re is not just a repeater, it's an intensifier. So instead of sort of looking at something again, what we really mean is to look intensely or to look properly or to look thoughtfully. When you regard something, you're not just looking, you're seeing. This then, over a period of about 400 years, came into English and became a word, well, a synonym for concerning or considering. So how do we use it? Well, you can say with regard to, or you can say regarding, or you can say in regard to, except that last one makes me want to do like a throw-up cry or something. I realise this is a matter of taste, but in regard to, ugh. Anyway, it is correct, so you can use it. I mean, you know, if you like that sort of thing. Never, never, never put an S at the end of those regards. So don't say with regards to, don't say in regards to, and never say regardings. I mean, like, no one will take you seriously ever again. Stop that right now. So you could say, I have no comment with regard to your accusation that I actually enjoyed the second two Matrix films on the second watch. Or you could say that I have no comment regarding the accusation that actually the Watchmen film wasn't that bad. Or you could say, I have no comment in regard to your accusation that I actually thought that maybe the Cloud Atlas film probably was alright, and every time I watch it I think it's a bit better. So, in conclusion, regarding, with regard to, in regard to, good. Tick. You can have those. And regards, in regards, with regards, regardings. Don't say any of those. Those are bad. So why do we say regards at the end of a letter? Now this is when you can use an S at the end of a letter. So in this case, regards is a synonym for wishes or thoughts. That's nice, isn't it? Wishes and thoughts. So you can say kind regards or you can say best regards. Well, you can write those two things at the end of an email or a letter. In fact, you could even say kindest regards, which is my very favourite because it's saccharine sweet. And if you're God level, you just put KR, which amuses me greatly. I don't know why that amuses me so much, but it does. So, when we're signing off a letter or an email, we can use an S. That's okay. So in conclusion, let's do some rules. I'll give you 3 rules, alright, about regards and regarding and regard. 1. Never pluralise regard when it's relating to something else. So in regard to, with regard to, regarding. Don't pluralise that. Don't put an S on it. 2. See rule 1. 3. I hate in regard to, but it's okay to use that. It's totally correct. You can have that one. Tell you what, let's have a beer and forget about it and go and talk about something else, yeah? And there you go. Please do a like or a subscribe or maybe make a comment about this because it really helped. This video would not have been possible without the absolutely brilliant and beautiful bookshop Bloom & Curl, which is where I find myself right now, which is where I tend to film my videos now. They're on Colston Street in Bristol. Go down there and come here, and buy all those books. Go and buy yourself a load of books, alright? It will make you feel better. There's poetry books and history, politics and fiction, and there's a very good sign over there saying please don't pointlessly bend the book. There's plenty of little notes like that around here. 10 points for everyone you find. Take care. See you next time.